Allen organs have become the instrument of choice for church musicians throughout the world. With more than 80,000 installations in over 70 countries, millions experience the beauty of Allen organs each week. Allen's commitment to building organs that sound and play like pipe organs is possible in part due to advanced DSP tone generation, combined with our exclusive Genesis technology. However, the art of organ building does not stop when the instrument leaves the factory in Macungie, Pennsylvania, or even once the instrument is physically installed. The all-important and demanding process of tonal finishing or voicing of the instrument assures that the instrument speaks with maximum impact, both dramatic and subtle, within the building in which it is placed. Through our powerful voicing software, each note of every stop can be individually and meticulously regulated, as is done during a fine pipe organ installation. In addition to note-by-note voicing, parametric equalization, or PEQs, are another tool designed to tailor the sound of the organ to the room's natural acoustic. While other digital organ builders may offer voicing software with similar capabilities, Allen Organ takes it yet another step further by introducing the newly expanded Sound Matrix. Through our exclusive Sound Matrix library, digital ranks can be easily exchanged in the field to suit the organist's taste. Allen's extensive sample library includes thousands of ranks representing the various schools of organ building from respected pipe organ builders around the world. While other digital organs may offer only 3 or 4 different selections per stop, Allen's Sound Matrix sample library provides access to the world's most realistic pipe organ samples from the world's greatest and most historic organs. Why settle for anything less?